Happy morning, students. Now we will solve practice set 16.1 question number second. Now in this second example, what has been given here? A cuboid shaped soap bar. Soap bar shape is cuboid. Okay. Has volume 150 cubic centimeter. Find its thickness. Now this is the practical example. If its length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Now I want to ask you. Now I have written here given. Volume of the cuboid shaped soap bar is 150 cubic centimeter. Length is 10 and breadth is 5 centimeter. So you tell me, what are we supposed to find? See, volumes formula we already discussed in our first example, where we wrote here length into breadth into height. So length is given, breadth is given. So thickness means what we have to find? That logic you have to use. So thickness is nothing but the height you have to find. That part you should understand. Because volume is also given to you. So what you have to find? That is height. H you have to find. Okay, H we don't know. Okay, so if you don't know, we can use that the H letter, we can keep it as it is and we will write the formula. Now why I have taken here, see now, this soap, if you see, this is a cuboid shape. And I'll just remove and show you how exactly it is cuboid. See here, isn't it a cuboid? This is the length. This is the breadth. And this is the height. Okay, so now you have to find the height of it. So for this, what we will use, only formula have to be applied. So volume of the cuboid shaped soap bar. Volume, see how nice it looks, cuboid. And you see here these are called as faces. This is rectangular, rectangular, rectangular. This is cuboid for you. So we are using all these objects, geometrical things in our day-to-day life. Box and all, everything we are using it. So volume of the cuboid shaped soap bar. Now there is no place enough left here, is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, now what we will do, we will write what is the volume here? 150. 150 is equal to, what is length? 10. What is breadth? 5 into height, we will h we will keep it as it is. Now we will solve. This is in the form of an equation where this h is the variable. So 150 is equal to 10 5s are 50. That is 50h. So 150 upon 50 is equal to h. Then what we will have? 51s are 50. 53s are 150. So you will get 3 is equal to h. So we have got height as 3 centimeter. That is, the thickness is 3 centimeter. So we will write, therefore thickness of the bar, soap bar, is 3 centimeter. In our day-to-day life also we use the word thick and thin, right? So thickness, in English when we are using, and in maths when we are thinking about thickness, what you have to find, that you should understand, say this is the thickness of this soap bar. And if you see the other one, if you look at this one, inside this also there is soap. So see that this is the thickness of it. That is, height of it is nothing but here the thickness of it. That you should understand.